Wolves, the social predators. Wolves, which belong to the family Canidae, are mammals that are known for their charisma and their high level of social interaction. They have been roaming the landscapes of the Northern Hemisphere for some thousands of years. Since the beginning of time, wolves have been an essential component of ecosystems and human cultures due to their intricate social structures, strong instincts for hunting, and intricate communication methods. Wolves have a robust physique that was designed for hunting and survival, contributing to their well-adapted nature as predators. Because of their streamlined bodies and powerful legs, they are able to move quickly and have a long endurance. While the head of a wolf is relatively large, it is characterized by a pointed muzzle and heightened senses, such as excellent eyesight and acute hearing. Shades of gray, brown, black, and white are some of the possible colors that can be found in the fur of different species of wolves. For wolves, this variation acts as a form of natural camouflage, which helps them navigate the various environments in which they live. The eyes of wolves, which can be varied in color from yellow to amber, are considered to be one of the most recognizable characteristics of this species. They are able to hunt more effectively because their eyesight is adapted to allow them to see both during the day and at night. In terms of species diversity, there is a significant amount of diversity among wolves across different regions, which has led to the existence of a number of subspecies that are adapted to particular environments. Canis lupus, also known as the gray wolf, is the species of wolf that is found in the most abundance and inhabits a wide variety of environments, ranging from Arctic tundras to dense forests. In addition to the red wolf, Canis rufus, which is indigenous to the southeastern United States, there is also the Ethiopian wolf, Canis siamensis, which has adapted to the high-altitude mountains of Ethiopia. Both of these wolves are considered to be notable species. The extraordinary adaptability of the wolf is reflected in the fact that each subspecies has developed its own set of adaptations that are specific to the habitats in which it lives. Wolves are extremely versatile animals that are able to thrive in a wide variety of environments, including dense forests, Arctic tundras, expansive grasslands, and everything in between. In the past, their distribution was widespread across a significant portion of North America, Europe, and Asia. On the other hand, human activities, such as the destruction of habitat and persecution, have had an impact on their historical range. The efforts that are being put into conservation are absolutely necessary in order to comprehend and protect the remaining wolf populations, which will ensure that they will continue to exist in the wild. Protected areas and national parks are extremely important in the process of providing wolves with habitats that are suitable for them to roam freely. Wolves are carnivorous predators that consume a wide variety of foods, including not only large ungulates but also smaller mammals and even carrion on occasion. The hunting techniques that they employ are extremely sophisticated, and they frequently involve working together and cooperating within a pack. The wolf pack is a social structure that is essential to the success of their hunting endeavors. It is comprised of members of the family who are led by an alpha pair. When hunting, wolves work together to bring down their prey by communicating with one another, employing various strategies, and using their strength. Individual members of the pack are able to take on larger prey. Thanks to the cooperative nature of the pack, which contributes to the overall survival of the pack, there is evidence that wolves engage in territorial behaviors, with pack territories being established based on the availability of resources and prey. It is essential for conservation efforts and the management of potential conflicts between humans and wolves to have a solid understanding of these territorial dynamics. The intricate social structure and distinct modes of communication that wolves employ are among the most fascinating aspects of this wild animal. There are family units known as packs that are formed by wolves. Each pack is led by an alpha pair, which consists of the dominant male and female. The members of these packs are frequently extended families, which may include children from previous years. Communication among members of a wolf pack can take many forms, including vocalizations, body language, and scent marking. A variety of vocalizations, such as howls, barks, and growls, are utilized for the purpose of conveying a variety of messages. These vocalizations include indicating the presence of prey, coordinating during hunts, and alerting the pack to potential threats. Scent marking is another method that wolves use to establish territories and communicate with one another within the pack. When it comes to marking trails, den sites, and other important locations, the scent glands that are located on their paws, face, and tail are extremely important elements. In addition to being fascinating, the reproductive behavior of wolves is an important factor in the cohesiveness of the pack. Most breeding pairs remain together for their entire lives, which helps to cultivate a strong bond that is essential to the success of the pack. In the spring, the alpha female gives birth to a litter of puppies during the mating season, which occurs once a year throughout the year. Due to the fact that they are born blind and deaf, puppies are dependent on the care and protection of the larger pack. Both the parents and other members of the pack are involved in the process of raising the puppies, which includes providing them with food, protection, and instructing them in the art of hunting and survival. As they mature, the puppies take part in the activities that the pack engages in, honing their hunting skills through interactions with other animals and through observation. By ensuring that knowledge is passed down from more experienced individuals to younger generations, the pack structure plays an important role. The populations of wolves are threatened by a variety of factors, such as the destruction of their habitat, conflicts between humans and other animals, and, historically, deliberate efforts to eradicate them. There has been some success in the conservation and reintroduction of wolf populations, despite the difficulties that have been encountered. Particular attention has been paid to the gray wolf in North America and Europe as a result of conservation efforts. Conservationists aim to reduce the number of conflicts that occur between humans and wolves, safeguard habitats, and develop and implement strategies to address the issue of wolves coexisting with human activities. In order to develop conservation strategies that are successful, it is essential to have a solid understanding of the ecological roles that wolves play, including the impact they have on the populations of prey and vegetation. In addition to making a contribution to biodiversity and the general health of the environment, wolves play an essential part in the process of preserving the equilibrium of ecosystems. One of the most complicated and frequently contentious aspects of wolf conservation has been the interactions between humans and wolves. Throughout animal history, wolves have been subjected to a great deal of persecution because they were considered to be a threat to livestock. The reintroduction of wolves into certain regions has sparked debates and challenges regarding the coexistence of wolves and human activities in those regions. It is an ongoing challenge to strike a balance between the requirements of local communities, the safeguarding of livestock, and the preservation of wolf populations. The resolution of these conflicts and the promotion of mutual understanding between humans and wolves requires the participation of the community as well as the provision of educational opportunities. In a great number of societies all over the world, wolves are considered to be of cultural significance. Wolves have left an indelible mark on human cultures. They are revered as symbols of strength, freedom, and family loyalty. They play central roles in folklore and mythology, and they have been instrumental in the development of mythology. In the traditions of Native Americans, for instance, wolves are frequently considered to be both teachers and guides into the unknown. Wolves are portrayed in European folklore in a variety of roles, ranging from cunning tricksters to loyal companions. The cultivation of a more profound appreciation for wolves is facilitated by an awareness of their cultural significance with regard to these creatures and encourages a sense of collective responsibility for the preservation of their habitat. The study of wolves has been revolutionized by technological advancements, which have provided researchers with valuable tools for monitoring and comprehending the behavior of wolves. The collection of data on wolf populations, movements, and genetic diversity is made more accurate through the use of GPS collars, camera traps, and DNA analysis. When it comes to addressing the challenges that wolves face in a world that is constantly changing, scientific research plays a crucial role in informing conservation strategies, unraveling the complexities of wolf behavior, and addressing these challenges. In the course of our scientific investigation of wolves, we have investigated their physiology, behavior, the difficulties associated with conservation, and the cultural significance of these animals. Wolf populations in the wild are not only fascinating to observe, but they also play an important role in the preservation of ecosystems in the history of humans. The ecological roles that wolves play must be balanced with the needs and concerns of local communities in order for conservation efforts to be successful. We can ensure that these magnificent predators continue to roam the landscapes that they have inhabited for millennia by fostering coexistence, protecting habitats, and addressing conflicts between humans and wolves. This will enrich both the natural world and our collective understanding of it. If you found this journey into the world of wolves fascinating, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Together, we can contribute to the conservation of these incredible animals. Until next time, appreciate the wonders of the natural world and let the wolves continue to roam freely.